Good morning. Sponsor. Sige, mag-kaya po.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are gathered here to witness, to celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so that they will be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige ako, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about contracted to be between these couples and the contracted already? Ako? No, very good. Let us continue. Sige. So, Mary Grace, Jesus na? So, Mary Grace, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love in service to your husband-to-be? Very good. Jason, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Very good. Do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntarily? Yes. Sige, kasama kayo maduwa. Ma'am Jay Manan, Jason. So, dalawa. I ask you now in the presence to declare your intention to union to each other. So, Jason, follow after me ha. Magbagat. Mary Grace, will you have me to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love me? Honor me? Keep me in sickness and in health? Forsaking all others? To be faithful to me as long as you shall live? To me as long as you shall live? As long as you shall live? Yes. Yes, Jesus.
Yes,
Sige. Sige, Mary Grace, follow after me. Mary Grace, will you have Jason as your husband? Sige, follow after me Mary Grace, will you have Jason to be your husband? Will you have to live together in marriage? Do you love him, comfort him, honor him? Yes. Keep this in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, to be faithful as long as you shall live? Yes, very good. Ako ba ito? Muna ka, follow after him ulit, Jason. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Tusok nun. Mary Grace Kamat, I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, honor you. Sige, sumama kayo ito yung parents mo. Naman tayo nyo. Nagigyan kasal. Wish or tayo. Nagigyan kasal. Pagkakagin kasal. Nagigyan kasal. Sige, nagiging ng apo, sponsors, yung friends and family. Namit kahit ibaga. Kaya hindi, anong wish naman natin sa kayo? Hindi ka kasal.
Kahit ko naman, di pag-asawa kit, may isa. Naman yung problema sa may isa, pagtungtungan nyo. Kasi may isa nga, nag-asawa talaga, di ba? Mga pagkaunawaan. Mga tungtungan na siya sa love, mga anak din. Dahil siya tiga, di ba? Dahil tumagkanak yun.
Ulit kayong dalawa. Ito ang manandiation ni Iman ni Mary Grace. And follow after me. I hereby take you, Mary Grace.
I hear you.
Take you
Take you, Mary Grace,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for riches or for
poorer, in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until
We be parted
we departed
by
by
death.
death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Gamit Mary Grace, I hereby take you, Jason, to be my husband, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Sige, o. Tatamat, Jason. Tawagin mo na lang. So, tignan mo na si Mary Grace sa kanyang mata. Anong promesa mo sa kanya? Ano promise mo din, wife?
Ang ipapangako lang sa'yo ngayon at sa hindi ako papayag na magkagulay tayo. Gagawin kong lahat para maging masaya. Ang pagmumuhay natin, kasama ang ating anak. Ano man ang hirap na daranasan natin, kaya natin yan at magtulungan tayo. Walang iwanan. At lagi tayong manalangin sa Diyos. At lagi natatandaan na mahal na mahal tayo ng natin.
Very good. So, din Mary Grace. So, ano naman ang mapapromise mo kay Jason? As gabay. O, sabihin mo na sa kanya ngayon. Very good, that's very good. Sige, hawak mo pa rin. Okay? By the virtue of the power vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Nueva Vizcaya, therefore pronounce you man and wife. As the newly husband and wife, you may now kiss the bride. Congratulations! Ang kiss, ha? Sino taga-picture dito ngayon? Taga-picture? Kaya ano yung picture naman? Mga na-remembrance? Anyway, naka-live tayo mo. Kaya lang yung Facebook live. Okay? Sige, afirma tayo. Nagiging nung nila,ag-witness man ako ang pirmada. Congrats man na. Congratulations.
Signature. Ari, pirma mo yung lalaka ka lang. Kata.
Witness mo tayo. Kasama mo rin baby sa picture. Once again, congratulations pa rin. Congratulations. Kapag picture taking tayo. Kasama ko ito yung
Ay, kapil na.
Hindi mo pala sa yung mapapatay.
Yeah. Ay! Picture, picture. Oh, game.
No, makita niyo na. Partner na. Tama na.
Dito mo sa mo kami balik man. Di na kasi ko.
Okay, naalala na? Actually,
1, 2, 3.
so with the family members. Picture, picture.
1, 2, 3.
Ang talaga ko pa yung kuduwa.
1, 2, 3.
Sige nga luma lang.
1, 2,
Ito kayo ito malaki pagka.
1 more, 1, 2, 3.
Sige nga mahilig mo na.
1, 2, 3.
O, ninong-ninang.
Habang ano pa, maganda pa yung kawali ng baby ko.
Ninong-ninang ako.
Hindi na niya. Hindi na.
Ano man kanya yung mismas.
Okay, 1,
Kasi kasi sa
2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 1, 2, 3.
Ano yun? That's what I think.
The baby is crying.